Morning, everybody, or good afternoon, where you stay, I don't know. I hope you can hear me, you can see everything, and then I will share my screen to you, and we will start. South Africa, yeah, it's sunny here too. I am in Cyprus, and the sun is shining, it's very hot. Comfortable, I love it. Good. Will do anything on the right side? Good. Good. Cool. At first, everybody must know this evening at 7 p.m. in Germany, we will make a big market view, a long-term market view for everybody for free. And I hope everybody will be there because I explained a lot about the Q4 and I think I have a lot of interesting stories behind. And yes, I hope everybody will hear it in this evening. Also, today we will start. I'm Tom. I think everybody knows who I am. At first, the risk disclaimer. It's very important that everybody knows every risk is on your side, what you do. We are not a financial advisor or anything else. Please do everything by yourself and trust in yourself if you do everything. Good, let's start. We have done a lot of sessions together, the quick look, we have done the weekly profiles, we have done the business zones. We learned a little bit about the finished and unfinished auctions. Also, we talk a little bit about pullback patterns from Footprint, but I think Serge will do a lot of this next week. Also, we will do a lot of live sessions with you together. He is the master of dynamic setups, and I think he is very good and able to explain you a lot of these things. And I will tell you today a little bit about the micro setups I have created in the past by myself. And I developed a lot of technical ideas with deep intelligence inside. Yes, and we will look together at the markets, what happens now. Then Serge also explained you a little bit about the order flow tools, and I will go today with you together on the market and will make a lot of quick watches before. At first, we will look all together at the S&P 500 because today it's not so interesting, I think, but I think it will happen anything in the next day extremely. And the reason is that I have a good look about 6E, euro dollar future, and we will plan a lot of trades today. Also, we have a nice opportunity in gold. I looked a little bit before what happened, but now we will create it together and I will explain you how I work with it and what I will do. I have done a little thing before. Wait a second. Do it away. I have started my trading setup, my very easy trading setup. I am looking today, I will look only for the market structure and also the order books. And I will show you how I create my trading desk, that you understand how easy it will be if you understand before why there is a support and resist area, what is the context of every market, and I think that will be very good. Okay, at first, a quick watch to S&P. We have seen here a very big run, smaller run, smaller run, smaller run. What is the first thing what you can see here? What do you think where we are and what do you think what happened now? I will do it with you together. I don't want to explain all the time what I see. I hope you will see a lot of by yourself, and then I explain you what I see. And so it will be the best learning way for all together. What do you think? Is it a good way to learn for you, or is it a bad way and you will only hear what I have to talk? Balance. A lot of people say balance, fair prices. Yes, I see the same. Lucas, what means number one? I don't know. Okay, good. We look on the left side. And what is on the left side? Here is, for example, range area behind, like this or like this. However, interesting is for me that we stay here also in a little range pre-market. And remember what happened when the market is very, very, very slowly. What happens after? Yes, it is 30 minutes. It's all the time 30 minutes time frame. Only when I trade, I look into 5 minutes or 1 minute. This is not important. Yes, the opportunity is able that we got a big breakout. And what do you think? What is the next level we can run? Is it this level? Is it this level? Is it this level? Or what do you think about this level? This is a good idea, or? Number two is a good idea because this is a really B setup. And after this setup, we got an impulse, a range, and after it, an impulse too. Now, we are starting with all this short sequence here. That was the first aggressive player on the short side. Pullback is coming, down again, and now we are running down. And for me, I will look what happened if we go to 6490, 6493. What is the next thing I do? I put this line in my shot. Very easy. 6491. This is okay. Good. What is the next thing I will do? I will look deeper because I'm a day trader. And I look, how is the market working? Where did we open now? And what kind of structure does the market profile shows me? And everybody have seen that I uploaded the market profiling part into the course. Did everybody see it? Give me please a quick answer. No? Yes, it's inside. Please look about. It must be inside. I ask the video cutter. It's under recordings module 2. Travis found it. Isn't there a possibility to range again around zone number 1 since price range there before? Okay, at first I will give you an answer. Yes, the opportunity is coming that we go behind the range, but opportunity is big that we go quick over it. Because, yeah, a lot of pullbacks are done here. Can you give me more information about why you choose 2 and not 1 or 3? Yes. 1 is able that we go at first to the 1, but when we think about the first idea, it's we have a very small range. And a very small range, after it will become very aggressive trend, normally. And this is the reason that I think we go higher. And this is the last level for me. We can stop before we will create new all-time highs. But this is only the quick watch. Please think about it. It's not the biggest thing. It's the thing that I will understand what is to do. Makes sense for you? Perfect. Good. Then let's look into the profiles. I'm not able to answer all the time because then I lose my flow. I will do it step by step. I hope it's okay for you. Good. At first, I look what happened in the big picture. Where are the big interesting levels are. And here is for me value high from this week. Also VPOC. I think everybody can see here is an interesting station for the markets. Also value high combined with the next value on overhead or with this low volume node. You can decide it by yourself. This is safer. This is a little bit tricky, I think. And now I understand when the market goes up, the opportunity is coming that we got a reaction here at first. And now I will put this level in my charting book and I understand, okay, this is my price area from here to 508. It's my next picture. And it is good, let it inside if the market didn't reach it intraday because we're looking for a big weekly support. The next thing I do is I look under my price range. What is the next step under my price range? This is weekly from this week. It's not so important. Important is here is the aggressive buying tail. Here the market players also reacted very hard long. And now the opportunity is coming when we go deeper like this here. We have new supply and demand area here that we go very deep. And this is my next interesting level for short run. This is my business zone on the underside. Is there any way you can say the levels my computer can't hold the weekly TPO and FOPA? Yes, is 6,319 to 6,310. Good. Also, I put this level into my picture. I know it's a little bit boring, but it's very important to do this work. You do it one time and you have a lot of time in the past for trading. Normally I do it a lot quicker and also earlier, but today I do it with you together that everybody understood 100% what I do. Good. Now I understand this is my weekly support and resist level and now I'm fine with it. Good. What is the next thing we do? Question to you. What is the next thing we do? I'm using a lot of, I use Sierra chart for my analysis because I love it. And I take ARTAS for my trading because I like the easy way of trading style in ARTAS. And I prefer very clear charts with nothing inside. Yes, Lucas, it's right. At next, we are looking for the daily business zones. We have time. The market starts in 15 minutes. We can ask in the, we can give all the templates. It's easy, yes. But this template, I have never created. This is so easy. I think everybody will create it by himself. It's only 5 or 1 minute chart and it's only an order book. That's everything. Good. Let us think about the markets. What is the next thing? The next thing is, here's a course. Now it's a little bit deeper. Here's closing price. And what is the first thing I can see? It's very near to the close from yesterday. Okay. Here is my next value area. Here is my POC. And these are all informations I got now for this day. Good. First business zone. What is the next one? Next business zone is over the top here. I must take these two profiles together. Sorry, I forget it. I will do it. I will do it with you together that you understand 100% what I do. I think it's comfortable for everybody. At first, I put inside only the full session time. The Casa session time. Yeah, it's very crazy. I can only use it. I'm not able to create a nice style like this. Serge do it, Carsten do it. A lot of other people in my team love it to play with software. I'm only a user. Okay, now we work with next profile and we got this result, okay? This is important. Good. I do it on top so that we have not too much here. And I make a new picture. Good. Yes, you need a rocket science degree for Sierra chart. You must not use it. You can use Atos, you can use deep charts. It's working very well, very good. I'm an old man and I like things from the outside, and that's the reason that I use it. But in the future, I will use also deep charts, for example, that we can use all the time, the same thing. But I think for everybody is it clear that we earn the right levels, because the volume structures creates all the same. Good. Let's create the business zone. The first one was this one. The next one over the markets is this one. I think it's not so easy. It's very small. Here's a value. Here's LVN. Here's the next high. We have a little one. I think this zone, we will look what happened, but we will put it into the chart next. 6475, 646, 6475. And the next is 6460. Yes. Good. Oh, it doesn't want to work with me. Good. A little bit deeper. I think for everybody, this is very, very small, what we create now. But this is not a problem. We can think about what we can do, that we will go over this area in the next step. What we will see here, what kind of setup we will use at this place. Question to you. Because I don't like it to trade with everybody, very powerful, if you are not able to understand my way of trading. What we will see here, for example. P-shape, what we can see also. What we will see here and here. These are my two first business zones. which kind of setup we will see there. P, P. Okay. I mean it very easy. You will see trend following, breakout, or counter trading. What do you think? A breakout setup. Where? Here? A breakout setup behind this area? You think it will go very fast? There is a selling tail. And the opportunity is big that we got a small reaction where we go over it. And then it can work like this and go up. Okay? This is the normal way if there was a big player behind. Yes, trend continuation. That will be a very nice setup. And on what place it must be? It must be here or it must be here. 1 or 2. Yes, 1. What happens if we got a counter trading setup behind the green one or the 2? Do you want to use it? Did somebody want to use a counter trading setup at this location? Yes, we can do it. But the trend currently is more aggressive up than down. I think everybody can see it, okay? The opportunity that we got a pullback trade to the closing area from the day before is very high, or I will make a better picture for you. I wish that you learn thinking a little bit like me, how easy I think about the markets. Yes? Okay. We do it like this again. We have this area. We have this area. We have opportunity for trend following setup. We have opportunity for a counter setup. We have opportunity for closing the gap or for running above. And now I will ask you, what will be the best trade for today? What do you think? What will be the best trade for today? The blue. And what can happen before? Yes, the best trade we will get currently is that we go higher, that we open, go down. What kind of setup we would like to see at this place? 1 is a counter. 2 is the opportunity that we got a new supply and demand zone under this value. And then we go deeper to the next pricing level. What is naked? Totally easy. Okay. Tom, sorry, I don't understand why you draw the first business zone like that. Aren't we supposed to draw it from the value high to the first LVN? Yes, we do. Look here. Value high, LVN. It's very small. Under this zone, here is no LVN. This is a joke. It's not a real LVN. It must be deep. And I take the risk a little bit bigger if I have no clear opportunity and I take the VPOC like the next level. This is everything. It's a naked VPOC. Don't think too complicated. If you have no good information, use it. Let us think about this level, for example, and this is not here. The next day is opening here and it's going down. I use value low and VPOC together for my business zone when my mark goes up. And then I look for counter setup here because the market tell me the story, it goes deep. This is the context. And this is my next level I can tag because this is a naked VPOC. It's only a target level, okay? We will do it often and often and often. And in the future, after this week, we will do it more speedful. But if you have questions, I will answer your questions because it is for me, my dream is that mostly of you understand my way of trading and are able to trade this style by themselves with this setup they love. Not everything. Take only this one you like. What is working for your personality, your counter trader, breakout trader, or anything else. Okay, now I'm going again to the market. The best trade we will get today is this one. Goes deep for a moment, go up and make clear supply and demand over, pull back and up. The other side, we go down, open, range, supply and demand, new fair price, little pullback and down. Okay? These are the clear and good trades for today. Everything is okay with it? Yes? Good. Yes, this is important that it is very clear for you. Good. Let us take another chart, okay? What is this? It's a PDF. I don't download PDFs from Zoom. Sorry for it. Please send it into the... Wait, how are you going between your planning your setups and then seeing your trades on blank charts? Okay. Yes, it's very easy. Good. The next step under my price level was 6395. What? Yeah, it's very deep. 6395. Oh. Good. Okay. Now you ask me what I do to understand what setup will come. Is it true? Is it your question, Brett? I only send for me these horizontal lines inside. The rest is in my brain. I know because I look also on my analysis charts, but you can use, for example, this one and make it with color red, for example, for counter trade. Sorry, it's too high here. You can make also this one that you know, you make it in green for a new supply and demand zone, and you understand now we are long from this level to the next level, okay? Yes, I look here for my trading chart. I reacted sometimes very fast because I'm looking also into the order book. And I'm looking here for a technical setup. Very easy. But this picture is all the time on my screen. I have 6 screens here. And I differentiate with my eyes when I have trading ideas. For me, the important thing is that I got that I got a signal at one of these reactive lines. I name it business zones. Yes, the big ones are weekly and these are daily. And this one is a special one. I have to done it because it was a technical quick view. I think we don't use it. If the mark goes up, I will only see a little reaction here. Good. But let's think a little bit more about other markets that we have more opportunities. I think there are a lot of better trading ideas for today, especially in gold and in 6E. Today we don't do the same with Nasdaq because we have not so much time, okay? I will explain it easy, comfortable, and we will look for it. This is gold, easy, okay? My quick watch, it's a short trend, or everybody see it's going down, 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 down. Good, it's a joke. And this long trend got the first lower low under this lows. Did you remember what happened if we go under the first lower low and we make no new high? Who remember it? Who studied it? Who learned it? This one will be a fake breakout, for example. But if we go under this one, the opportunity is high that we go under the impulse. And look what is here. What is here? Low volume, single prints. Yes, it's a very aggressive range. And what did we do if a market comes to a single print area? We're looking for a trade or we stop a trade. What is the best way to do? Yes. No, not a counter trade. Not a counter trade. It mostly comes a counter trade, but at first we take a target. For example, you can think about a trade from here to here. We'll go very fast, I think so. Opportunity is high. But remember, this is the technical side, the easy side. It's a quick watch. We are aggressive traders. We would like to look deeper into the markets with intelligent profits, okay? We will see this level also here. Or, no, not every LVN is a single print. But I will go live into the market because the opportunity is coming that we found a trade. We will see. Yes, nice, it goes up. I love it. Good. At first, we look here. Or remember, we look here, weekly. What is the weekly level? This week is here. And where's the VPOC? It's here. It's very deep. 3,550. Here is a big VPOC from this week. Mostly of volume was generated here. And now we must look, I think 1440, 1430. I must look in my template later. I have not everything in my brain. I must do my job at first and then we can talk about. Okay. What is the next thing? Here is my currently price level. But now it's running higher to a level I love. Okay, wait a second. Good. What is over the market? Here is value low from yesterday. And also here is the VPOC. Okay? We use it. This is my first reaction level. The perfect level is 16.6 to 22. We put it inside of my $16.6 to 20 and a little bit. So, what reaction we will see here. What do you think? Opening was completely under the day before. Which reaction we would like to have? Counter setup. Yes, we can look for a counter setup. And how a counter setup look for us? What we would like to see. It's coming. Opportunity is coming that we got the counter trading setup. Okay, we can look here. Here's a big order currently. The selling side, we will see. I think they will shoot it. We're waiting. Touch the business zone and the counter setup. A P shape, B shape, everything else. Okay, we will wait. We will wait a moment. But where's the place we will trade if the counter setup is working for us? Where's the next business zone under? Here or here or here? Where does it begin? 1, 2, 3, or 4? What do you think? No, 1 is only a target. It's a single print. The next interesting level for us is number value to VPOC. This is a lonely LVN, okay? Let us look what the mark will do. We are going. And what is the reaction currently? What happens here? They make a little bit big pressure. It looks not so bad for a little short trade. But here's a POC. Over the POC is coming a seller. He's more aggressive than the player here. Now we can put wait a second, we're looking. I'm looking in 1 minute. Which setup will be comfortable for us? What do you think? You remember P, what is also interesting? You remember inside bar? Have you ever seen an inside bar before? No. Okay, then I will explain it tomorrow. I have interesting setups with inside bars. It's interesting for you? Inside bar in combination with volume. Because, yes, you can see the seller is coming, but on the top, is it a hard top or is it a weak top? What do you think? Yeah, it's weak. And who is the builder and the creator of weak tops? Whoa, it goes fast. Market makers, for example. Yes. Small traders often. No, I was too slowly to press a button for a nice trading idea. Yes, Daniel, this is true. Okay, but I think everybody is able to see here is a nice reaction from the market at this business zone. It's very good. For us, now it's interesting what happened after. For example, is it better than ICT? Wow. We will find a lot of trades in the future. You can trust in me. But at first, everybody should understand. Who trades this business zone currently? Be true. Who is trading it? Who pressed the button? Nobody. Yes, a lot of you. Yes. Good. Remember, it will be a very good and high trade, but where's your stop loss now? Also here, trading idea is coming. Okay, let us look later. No stop loss. Very good, very good. Never trade with stop loss. This is only a thing for children, or? Yes, sure, it's very important. Never do it. I hate stop losses. Okay, trust in me. You must put your stop loss if you have no good idea over the zone, because you will lose a lot of money if the market goes with the impulse over the zone. It will kill you. Good. Let us look for the next market, and after we will see what happened with the other markets. The next market, for example, is 6E. Yes, we can wait for a retest, but at first we will learn how we create interesting zones for us that everybody understand where are the areas for trading. I think now you are trusty enough that you understand my way of preparing zones. It's good. And also to see that the speed is interesting or not interesting is also not so bad. And if you are patient enough, let us do this job at first, okay? If somebody is sad that I don't press a button, okay for me. Good. I'm not able to give you all these answers now. Sorry, Fred. We must make also a Q&A session because I can't do anything together. This is one question that's very, very important. Did you change the zones every day? Yes. For day trading, I change it every day, especially if a market is running to a zone, because the opportunity is there that the context will change. Okay? This is very important to know. Good. Let us look to 6E, because also I have an idea for a big trade when it's coming. No, it's sleeping. Shit. Sleeping and sleeping and sleeping. You remember yesterday I told you about the big trading idea, and I hope we will get it in the future together, because the range is going for a lot of weeks. And if it's going for a lot of weeks, there will come a big shoot. And today we are going from this open price down, and now we go up. I show you the picture. Did you learn a lot today? It's cool? Yes. Cool. Good. This is currently the price. It's inside of the day before. Here is a buying tail. Where's the next level over? Here's value high from the day before, and I do it together with the single print. What is under the day? Nothing. Naked POC. And the next level will be this area with another area I can't see now, okay? If we go deeper, but look here where we are. If we go deeper, it's here. Yeah? What do you think if we go under 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks? What do you think what happened now? Can you explain how you decide the click in the book when it's possible? This is not able in 5 or 10 minutes. It's a big way, but give me one easy way for you. If you see the speed go slowly, 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 and then the speed become more power. For example, like I explain you here, it goes slower, 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 and then it goes higher. On the sell side, it's a moment to put the button. I tell it, and now everybody can see it's going. It's interesting. Yes, go. You will go more deeper. We will do it all the time, Dark. No problem. But at first, everybody must understand the rules. And today is the last day I explain deeply the rules. Then we start running more and more and more. But also I will give you tomorrow a lot of setups, like inside bars, outside bars, in combination with volume. It will be very comfortable for you to use it because you understand why it works. Is it also good for you, Dark? Or is it boring? I think next week nothing will be boring because search is a machine in speed. And everybody will be happy when he works speedful. But it is very good for you that I explain you everything before very slowly. When he is reading and he is he give you all his exercise from the past, it will be very hard. Good. We see no, nothing is to do. It's in the middle. The POCs are going deeper and deeper and deeper. We must wait what happened later or tomorrow. I think nothing will happen now. Good. We see one reaction was a good idea. S&P is going a little bit up, but it doesn't go to my zone. I'm waiting. I think it will go higher. Nasdaq is going at first over the courses, and now we must wait. Yes, you must merge all these weeks in this case. This is true, but I don't do it currently that I can explain how many weeks are in line. And this is important to understand that there is much of pressure. Later, we will put all of this together, merge it together. Everybody understand what is merging? Or I will explain it at least today that everybody understand it. Yes, merging is doing things together. No, okay, then I explain it. It's important. Good. We take this and this together because value and VPOC inert of this week before. It looks like this. Merge with next profile. No, we have 2 weeks together. The next one also mostly of value closes inside the week before. VPOC is in the same. We merges with the next profile. Now we have 3 weeks together. What did we do with the current week? Did we merge it or we wait? Question to you. Yes, waiting, please. This must be closed on Friday that we put it together if it closed inside. But now we have a little bit better thoughts and you can see it very good. What happened if the mark go to this level? The reaction was very big. And this happens if you have an intelligent level. Look here. This and this are the value areas from this 3 weeks before. Here is a buying tail, and here a big seller was coming at this moment when the market comes here, and he make also a single print. Big seller, aggressive player, and now the value is deeper. Okay, it's interesting. It's cool for you? Good. Then I will stop for today because I have nothing to do now. I must wait for setups, and I will explain you this evening a lot of things. And yes, we see here was an opportunity for a nice and quick and dirty trade. And also here we must wait. But trust in me, it's very small everything. I think it will happen very brutal. It's at 7 p.m. German time. Then I make the big watch for the next month, and I explain a lot of my long-term ideas or the long-term ideas from my analysts from Trades Traders. And I think we must put the link into the Discord. Philip, you are available. Please put the link into the Discord for this evening. And I think it will be amazing for everybody. I do it together with Andrea. Patrick is also there. And I think Fabio. It will be in English, yes. I'm learning English more and more and more, and I love it to do and to speak English with you. Is my English okay for you? You understand everything? I know it will be better, but it goes, oh? Lovely. Now I have a good evening. Cool. Good. I think for teaching it's much enough, and everybody is able to understand what I explain and what I tell. And now I stop for this day. I hope you learned a lot of. I hope you trust a lot of more. Ja, a little bit. Bisschen üben musst du noch. Yes, Lucas, I must learn a lot of more, but I will do it. And I hope you trust a little bit more with this zones. And I think latest in 1 month, everybody is very trustful about the business zones we create together, and you feel comfortable. But this is also important. I will stop now my charts that you can see me high. It is important that you do the same before, that you can look, is my way the same way like Tom does or like Serge does? Okay? Tom, what is the setup you expect if you take a trade? Can you explain this? Joao, I will do it a lot of time, okay? I have different setups. I look for setups in order flow. I look for setups. I can go here that you understand more. But all the things will Serge explain next week. I use setups from footprint charts with pullbacks, and also I use technical derivations. I need everything. I love everything, but I'm not normal. I'm able to trade everything. What time I finish my trading session, I be true, I stop now. Why? Because already I was trading in the morning a little bit, and I work in this evening, in this night. For me, it's night when I work at 7 p.m. because here is 8 p.m. in Cyprus. And now I trade outside the cash sessions, the German market, DAX future or Bund future, anything else. And sometimes also I trade S&P future and Nasdaq future in the morning, but only when there is a lot of power inside and a lot of volume. But mostly there's a lot of more volume inside than in the German market. No, I don't trade DAX before the open cash session from DAX Future. But DAX Future opens at 9 p.m. German time, the cash session. I think mostly of you are sleeping in this time. How do you find the DAX with stop loss? Yeah, it's crazy. DAX is very speedful and not a lot of money is inside. It's crazy. It's better to trade in the American market. Good. I will see you in the evening. Thanks a lot for everything. I hope you feel comfortable, and we will make a big Q&A session next week. And I hope you are happy. See you soon. See you later. Thanks a lot.